What's up, guys? I'm at a cafe right now, and as promised, I'm going to show you some results that just came in. Outstanding results, actually. Got one of our clients to a 700 FICO score, and let's do that. Let's go ahead and show you guys. Okay. Okay, look at this. So this is my client, Jason. And as you can see, he's been a client for like a month. And as you can see, here's a collection that got removed. Score is 764. Let's go down. Inquiry removed. Another hard inquiry, another hard inquiry. And then he said this on Monday, my new Equifax score since the collection and 3 inquiries were deleted. Same collection portfolio and 3 inquiries. Had hacking off TransUnion in my experiment though. Okay, so look, 800. There's already 800 right there. So like I said, guys, this is like the proof, and me being like 100% transparent of what you can expect. And this is not the only testimony that I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you quite a few in this video, but it's just to see like how things kind of like go when you work with me. So these are his updated scores, and keep in mind this is like a premature update. This is not a full official update, but it's good to know that things were deleted within a month's time. And as you can see here, Marine 1 acceptance, cool. Another thing removed. These are the investigation results that came in the Experian report. 20 deleted, he said. 20 negative accounts were deleted right there. So you can see it. Sorry for the glare, guys. Maybe I'll turn the front camera off. Hold on, let me turn the front camera off.